Automatic double rigid box making machine PC8040A can automatically finish one box lid and box bottom at one time. It can finish 2 paper feeding, 2 corner pasting, 2 box forming at one time. It can make 2 different size box in one line. This will improve the production efficiency, especially for the jewelry box, mobile phone box, sweet box, cosmetic box, gift box, watch box. PC8040A has 2 options. You can use 2 different size positioning, or you can use 1 box positioning on the machine. It is convenient for customer to make rigid box.